Welcome. Naga Software has proudly launched this new facile spoken English course. It is evident that there is a close connection between the capacity to use language and the capacities covered by the verb to think. So, we have specially introduced this course with a joint venture of many faceted talented personalities. To discern the way to reach the perfection of English knowledge is the foremost aim of this course. Having experienced with the students, according to their IQ levels, we install and introduce this new course. Taking into account the capacities of the students, here we have catalogued this course into 3 levels: basic level, medium level, and advanced level. To assess the beginners, basic level, medium level for those who have the basic knowledge, and the advanced level for the professionalists. This course includes all the grammar patterns, tips to improve speaking skill, listening words, technical words, and other essential creative activities. Eradicating one's own fear and to yield good results in spoken English, we have included some new techniques. A sincere thanks to Mr. C. Tirumugam, Educational Consultant, who has taken keen effort in bringing out this spoken English course. We hope you will enjoy our spoken English at all levels. Thank you.